Choosing the right portable air conditioner can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options flooding the market. Many buyers end up with units that can't effectively cool their spaces or are too noisy for a good night's sleep. In this video, we'll compare the top 5 portable air conditioners for 2026, highlighting their features and what sets them apart. Stick around to discover the surprising number 1 pick that offers unparalleled convenience and performance. Remember, links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Portable air conditioners. The portable air conditioners have gained a reputation for their budget-friendly pricing while delivering exceptional cooling capabilities. Ideal for dorms, small apartments, or temporary setups, this unit offers features like easy mobility, adjustable temperature settings, and a basic remote control. For convenience, users appreciate the simplicity of its setup, often requiring no professional installation. However, it may struggle in larger spaces, requiring additional units for effective cooling, which could be a downside for those seeking to cool bigger areas. Still, its value makes it a solid choice for individuals looking for an economical solution to summer heat. Garvee 3-in-1 Portable Air Conditioner. The Garvee 3-in-1 Portable Air Conditioner is a versatile option for anyone who wants more than just cooling capabilities. With its triple functionality as an air conditioner, fan, and dehumidifier, it's perfect for varied climate conditions and preferences. This model features a sleek design and is equipped with a user-friendly control panel, making adjustments a breeze. It's particularly well suited for home offices or living spaces where air quality is a concern. However, some users report that the water tank can fill up relatively quickly, requiring frequent emptying during extended use. Nevertheless, its multi-use design makes it a valuable addition for many households. Portable air conditioner. This portable air conditioner delivers solid performance without compromising on comfort. Sporting a compact design, it's easy to transport from one room to another, making it ideal for renters or those who frequently move. It features multiple fan speeds and an intuitive digital display that enhances user experience. This unit excels in energy efficiency, which can help keep electricity bills under control while still providing consistent cooling. However, its noise level may be noticeable for some, particularly during nighttime use. Yet, for those who prioritize efficiency and portability, this air conditioner offers a great balance for effective home cooling. Portable air conditioner. The portable air conditioner stands out with its advanced cooling technology, ensuring rapid temperature adjustment even in sweltering conditions. Designed for larger spaces, it offers impressive airflow and can effectively cool a whole room without breaking a sweat. The unit includes features like a programmable timer and eco-friendly refrigerant, appealing to environmentally conscious users. Its sleek appearance fits seamlessly into any decor, making it a stylish addition to your living area. However, its size can make it less portable compared to smaller models, which could be a drawback for users who need a unit they can easily move around. Still, its cooling prowess makes it a top contender for serious heat relief. Portable air conditioners. Topping our list, the portable air conditioners offer unmatched versatility and performance, making them perfect for families or individuals who need a reliable cooling solution. With features like adjustable fan speeds, remote control access, and a built-in air purifier, this unit excels in enhancing overall indoor air quality. Its portable design means you can effortlessly move it from room to room, providing consistent cooling wherever you need it most. Users rave about its quiet operation, making it ideal for bedrooms or home offices. However, it can come with a higher price tag, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. Overall, its comprehensive features justify the investment for for those seeking comfort and convenience in their living spaces. Thank you for joining us in exploring the top 5 portable air conditioners for 2026. Each of these units offers unique features that cater to different needs, ensuring you can find the perfect fit for your home or office. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Stay cool this summer.